Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today, we are in the kitchen with Kyle, making breakfast. We have this adorable heart-shaped egg and toast, and also a slice of toast perfect for covering in jam, honey, or Kyle's favourite, peanut butter. So, let's get making. We are using a slice of bread from the Gourmet Kitchen as our size guide. For anyone who doesn't have this AG item, here are the measurements. To get uniform slices, you need a cutter. Using the soft aluminium from this candle making kit, cut the sides away, then mold it around your template to take shape. Seal the ends with sticky tape. For the bread dough, mix air dry clay at a ratio of 1 part yellow to 4 parts white. Stretch and knead the clay till you get a consistent light cream colour. The AG bread slice is just over 5 millimeters in thickness. Keep this in mind when rolling out your clay. It helps to work on a non-stick surface such as parchment paper or, as you can see here, a clear plastic document pocket. Place your cutter in the clay and press down gently. With a plastic knife, cut away any excess before you try to remove the bread slice from the template. Next, texture the bread using a rolled up ball of aluminium foil. For finer details, stipple a clean, hard-bristled paintbrush over the clay. For the crust, I use a homemade needle tool. Scratch the pin into the clay, making tiny cross-hatch lines. Take a small heart cookie cutter and position it in the center of your bread. This is what you should have so far. To shade the bread, I have made up a palette of brown acrylic paints. First, water down your lightest colour and paint the whole slice of bread. Next, take the same colour and dry brush sections that would get darker when cooked in a toaster. You want a heavier layer around the heart-shaped cutout. With a mid-tone brown, apply more colour to the centre and top of the bread. Use your darkest brown for the crust. Put a thick layer over the top and with a damp brush, drag the colour down the sides so it fades out. Leave them to dry. On a scrap piece of contact release paper, trace around your heart cutter and also draw a circle. We are going to make the egg element using white hot glue sticks. Outline the shape first. Then fill it in. Build up layers quickly while the glue remains hot. Paint your circle piece yellow for the yolk, then carefully push it into the hot glue. It's optional, but here I brushed on some raw sienna paint to mimic a fried egg look. Push the hot glue piece into the heart opening in your toast. Flip it over and generously apply school glue. That's it! You're done! Make multiple slices of toast and cover them with colourful poppy paint for jams or honey. Or keep the bread plain for sandwiches. The options are endless. Thanks for joining Kyle today in the Dollhouse Kitchen. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to Always Dolls for more miniature crafting fun.